Hi and welcome to OPM Connect. I'm Naomi Francis. Today we look at infrastructure development and highway improvement projects highlighted by Prime Minister Andrew Holness in his 2023 budget presentation. What does it mean for you and how will it impact and improve your life?
The National Road Operating and Constructing Company Limited, NROC, is currently executing two major projects. The first is the South Coast Highway Improvement Project, Part A, from Maypen to Williamsfield, constructing approximately 23 kilometers of a 4-lane highway and upgrading of approximately 5 kilometers of the existing Melrose Hill bypass to a 4-lane rural arterially divided highway. This is now 90% complete and will be opened in August 2023.
So let's hear from Mr. Stephen Edwards, the Managing Director of NROC, the agency leading the highway development.
So NROC is responsible for building the toll roads across Jamaica. Right now we are at the start point for the Maypen to Williamsfield leg of Highway 2000. This project started in September 2019 and we're at approximately 90% completion. The project starts at Maypen at the old roundabout at Maypen and goes all the way into Williamsfield in Manchester. That's about 29 kilometers of roadway, of highway roadway. 603 local persons are employed on this project. The start point is marked by the Rio Mino Bridge. There's the old Rio Mino Bridge, which is adjacent to the new Rio Mino Bridge that we are at right now, that is right behind me. So persons who are familiar with the Maypen area would understand that when the Rio Mino is at capacity, the water level comes up almost to the level of the old bridge. So for the bridge behind us, this new bridge that is part of the highway construction, the new bridge is higher than the old bridge and it is wider than the old bridge to accommodate for that storm event. The bridge itself is 150 meters long, which will make it the largest 4-lane bridge in Jamaica. The new highway alignment will enable goods and services to traverse that corridor much more quickly and much more efficiently. That will, overall, the project will reduce the travel time between Maypen and Williamsfield to below 15 minutes, which is incredible. We're excited about it. The overall goal is to build out a modern, efficient highway network across Jamaica. So Jamaicans will be aware that we have two major highway alignments right now. We have the North-South Highway and the East-West Highway, which are not currently linked. The idea is that we want the entire network to be linked so that users will not have to come off one highway to enter another one, making travel across Jamaica more seamless and efficient.
And now let's hear from some of the workers on this historic highway project.
It is very, very good for this alignment, this highway to run through the whole community, because trust me, it brings up it gives it a highlight, it gives the whole place a highlight. So, well, I feel good.
I am from a nearby community and stuff, and my kids get to see the highway passing through us and stuff, and I am here working on the highway and stuff, so it's a great impact on my family because I get to provide certain stuff for them. So.
Thanks to the workers and thanks to Stephen Edwards for talking with us about this historic highway project. And that's it for OPM Connect. For more information on what the government is doing to impact your life, follow the OPM and the Prime Minister on all socials at Andrew Holness JM and on YouTube at Andrew Michael Holness/JM. And look out for OPM Connect on your favorite station and online.